As a diabetic or pre-diabetic, you're searching for ways to reduce sugar intake in your foods and drinks without compromising taste. Unfortunately, sugar substitutes currently available on the market either have problems with aftertaste or risks to your health. We're proud to announce some game-changing news. Your days of sacrificing taste because of unwanted sugars or sweeteners have come to an end. Thanks to MiraBurst, now you can enjoy that sweet taste in a completely different and totally healthy way. The MiraBurst Miracle Berry is the world's only taste-modifying superfruit that works by activating your taste buds and tricking the mind to perceive sour or tart fruits, foods, and drinks as sweet, without any added sugar or sweetener. Now you can enjoy a low-sugar lifestyle while managing cravings and helping to prevent blood sugar spikes. So what is the MiraBurst Miracle Berry? Sourced naturally in Ghana, the pulp of this miracle berry contains an active ingredient called miraculin. When the berry is consumed or a MiraBurst Mini Square dissolves on your tongue, miraculin binds to your taste buds. It works by sending signals to your brain and tricking your mind to perceive any sour or tart fruit, food, or drinks as sweet. Now you can enjoy your favorite recipes without worrying about sugary additives. MiraBurst can help satisfy your sweet tooth with your low-sugar, sour, or tart fruits, foods, or drinks. The Miracle Berry enhances the natural taste of several diabetes superfruits recommended by the American Diabetes Association, including berries and low-sugar yogurt parfait, which can be enjoyed as snacks or desserts. MiraBurst gives your fruit smoothies or green smoothies with berries a deliciously clean, sweet taste without the worry associated with those sweetening additives, commonly used to kick up the flavor. Scientific studies indicate that apple cider vinegar may help improve your body's sensitivity to your own insulin, helping to manage your blood sugar levels. We know it tastes horrible on its own, which is why we're proud to offer a taste modifier that makes it a sugar-free lemonade treat you'll look forward to daily. As a superfruit, MiraBurst is rich in polyphenols and other antioxidants which work together to help manage blood sugar levels. With something this great, you need to try it in order to truly understand this miracle of nature. That's why we're offering a special offer on your first purchase. For more information on how this special berry can help you manage diabetes or pre-diabetes, download our free ebook at MiraBurst.com. Take control of your cravings with MiraBurst.